All right, y'all, today's the day. It is the Exotic Bird March. I don't know, I'm excited and scared. My introvert self says, you people run away. But I'm excited to get the word out about our pheasantry and, you know, meet some other bird people. So we're gonna get in there and get everything set up and then take a look around and see if maybe we can take home some birdies as well. It is loud, but it's all wonderful birdie sounds. So, are you excited?
I'm excited.
Sunglasses off because we're inside. What have you seen?
By the way, go check out my channel, guys.
Look at that.
I'm channel jacking.
Number one. So, you said you already saw some pheasants.
Yes, I did.
That's good.
I seen some pheasants.
That means some of our people are here.
Somebody actually brought a Himalayan model pair.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to check that out.
Yeah.
So we're here, what, about 5 hours?
About 5 hours, yeah, 10 to 3. 10 to 3.
Got here, got set up, it's the first step, and now we just get to kick back and enjoy.
You know your camera's a little crooked?
Oh, it's too late now. Thanks for calling me out.
Bad news, somebody brought some hybrids, but I promised I'd be good today. I'm not gonna...
You're not gonna educate?
No. People are stuck in the ways, so that's the way it goes.
You forget you're on my channel. People don't know what hybrids are.
Oh. I should go over on my channel and say that.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna go take a look around and shop a little, maybe.
Yeah, let's go look.
We did it. We not only survived, I think it was kind of a success. It was really, really fun to get out and meet a bunch of bird people. Definitely had a lot of people who had never seen the kind of pheasants that we sell. It worked out super well. I had these metal prints that everybody could see, and then we had the laptop going with the video with all the pictures. Loved having the kids there. Handing out stickers was probably my favorite part, just seeing the smiles of the kids when you hand out stickers. Definitely a win. I think we talked to the person who organizes or owns or runs whatever the Exotic Bird Mart, and we're definitely gonna come back. She said she's got a lot of people in the area that, you know, ask about pheasants, and she never has anybody to lead them to, so that worked out really well. Made a great connection there. Sold a few birds. Definitely had a great time. I think okay, stickers were fun, but probably the funniest part was every time that a bird got loose, and I'm gonna say 5 or 6 times a bird got loose, and these, I mean, they're cockatoos and parrots, they fly. It's like all the other birds in the area would cheer them on, and they just go wah, 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 and it was hilarious and exciting. But at the moment, I am so ready to be home. My little introverted self needs some peace and quiet. So thank you all for joining us. I think this was really, really fun. A new challenge for us, and kind of seems like a good one. I think something that we will continue doing. So check out the future dates of the Exotic Bird Mart, and maybe we'll see you there next time. Have a good day, y'all.